In this video I show you 5 amazing shots, which you can create with your Insta360 ONE R. To create these shots, I attached the Insta360 ONE R to a telescope stick. I used the standard video function with 5.7K and 30 FPS. The first shot is the FPV Drone Shot. For this shot, move the pole stick slowly left and right. To optimize the camera movement, I used the GoPro FX Reframe Plugin in Adobe Premiere Pro. Set the zoom value as low as possible to achieve an ultra-wide angle view. Also use the lens curve parameter to make the image look more natural. Due to the ultra-wide angle view and the optical lens correction, the speed looks very fast. In the last step we had to add the dynamic movement. Therefore, I adjusted the rotate parameter and camera position with keyframes. It's very important that you change the keyframes to continuous bezier. This ensures smooth and FPV-like camera movement. The second shot is the drone orbit shot. For this one, you just have to swing the telescope stick over your head. To get a 360 video, the ONE R is adding two 180 degrees videos together. In this process, the pole stick is removed from the video. This is the reason it looks like a drone is cycling around you. The flow state stabilization of the Insta360 ONE R locks the movement and direction. Therefore, the video must be reframed again. Adjust the camera angle so that it always points in the center of the image. Set some keyframes and don't forget to change them again to continuous bezier. And ready is the shot. The third shot is the diving shot. This shot is very simple. You just have to move the telescope stick down quickly. To increase the diving effect, the reframing plugin in post-processing is useful again. At the beginning of the sequence, you set the camera position downwards. Set the zoom to a minimum value. Then you go to the end of the sequence and point the camera position straight forward. Also increase the zoom value. This settings increases the diving effect significantly. The next shot is the spinning camera shot. The easiest way to create this shot is to point the Insta360 ONE R straight ahead. In post-processing, reframing can be used to add the spinning motion. At the beginning you set the rotation keyframe and at the end you set another one with 360 degrees. And you're done, it's that easy. The last shot is the tilt up shot. Again, point the Insta360 ONE R straight forward. With the GoPro FX Reframe Plugin, you add a keyframe at the start and end of the shot. In the end, make sure the camera looks up into the air. Simple but impressive. These were my 5 tips for creative reframed videos with your 360 camera. In the video description I have linked you the Insta360 ONE R, which I have used to create this video. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and look forward to more videos about 360 cams, gimbals and video editing. Thanks!